Are you looking for a quick and straightforward method to pocket between $50 to $70? Picture this. You'll only need your device, a few clicks, and zero costs. Intrigued? Let's get started on this journey to fast earnings. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Take a look at this, folks. Amazon.com offers a vast selection of audiobooks, and people continue to purchase them daily. People visit Amazon, browse, and buy these audiobooks regularly. You can tap into this opportunity and potentially make hundreds or even thousands of dollars by selling these audiobooks online. I'm about to introduce you to an uncomplicated method that doesn't require any technical skills or graphic design know-how. You can easily earn up to $400 with the free tools I'm about to share. Here's the exciting part. It's all connected to Amazon's ACX.com. Before I reveal these free tools, let me explain that ACX.com handles the publication of audiobooks, and thousands of people visit the site every day to make purchases. They assist you in converting your book into an audiobook, which is then distributed across platforms like Audible, Amazon, and iTunes. Let's delve deeper into the process. Today, we won't be creating any ebooks. Instead, we'll focus on the narration part. Step 1 is to create a free account on ACX, and I'll show you how shortly. Once your account is set up, you can begin narrating books and earn money. Here's a sample of the type of book you could be narrating. Your task is to read the book from cover to cover and get paid for it. ACX utilizes straightforward technology that requires minimal effort on your part. After submitting your audiobook sample to ACX, you'll have multiple payment options to choose from, including bank transfers, PayPal, Bitcoin, Payeer, and Skrill. They offer various ways to get paid, either by a fixed rate or by splitting the royalties to 50-50. Before that, Step 4 is crucial because you'll need to pass a simple audition. Regardless of when someone buys one of the books you've narrated, whether it's in a week, a month, a year, or even a decade from now, you'll always receive 50% of the sale price. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. To begin, you'll need to select an ebook from the available options and submit an audition for narration. Once accepted, you can start working and earning daily. But don't worry, I'll show you a free tool that eliminates the need to narrate scripts or invest in expensive equipment like microphones and cameras. I'll provide you a detailed walkthrough on how to copy and paste an entire script for the audition. However, you can skip these steps by using the 2 free resources I'll introduce. You can even send them a sample script. With this unique method, you can bypass the recording and reading stages and go straight to getting paid. I'll now share some examples of the auditions you can submit. There are over 2,000 distinct audio audition sample ebooks on this site. Here's one example. If your audition samples are accepted, you'll be rewarded and given scripts for numerous ebooks to narrate. Now, most people might hesitate at the thought of narrating an entire script, which can take minutes or even hours. However, here's the fantastic part. You can visit ttsmp3.com, where you can paste an entire script and choose from various voices, including male and female speakers with UK English or American accents. Once you've made your selection, you can highlight and copy the script, paste it into the provided space, and click play to hear a preview. This text-to-speech tool utilizes advanced technology to deliver a natural-sounding voice, saving your time and effort. Once you're satisfied with the audio, you can download it as an MP3 file to your computer or phone and then submit it for approval on ACX.com. The second free tool I want to introduce is naturalreader.com. It offers audiobooks for both children and adults. You can paste any text into the provided box, select your preferred voice, and click play for a preview. After choosing a voice, you can click a button to download the audio as an MP3 file for submission and approval. It's a straightforward and hassle-free process. But, as promised, here's a bonus tip for you. On Fiverr.com, you can find freelancers who provide voiceover services. Simply search for voiceover on the website, Choose a seller and you'll discover various options at different price points. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to pay the seller up front. Instead, you can contact the seller and request a sample demo for your audition script. This way, you can evaluate the quality of their work without risking your own money. Once you have the audition tape, you can upload it to acx.com. If they accept your narration, you can then return to Fiverr to pay the freelancer. Many sellers offer their services for $5 to $10, which is a minimal investment considering the potential earnings from ACX. This method allows you to work smart, not hard, and offers the flexibility of using either the free tools I mentioned or Fiverr for your auditions. And that's a wrap. Stay tuned for more valuable content in my future videos. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!